With over 8 billion people in the world and 1.4 billion people in Africa, an estimate of 500 million people live in poverty in Africa, and this is about 36% of its entire population. In an attempt to break free from the claws of poverty, there's been an increase in the number of searches on how to make money online on Google in Africa. Leeway Foundation is a non-profit organization dedicated to achieving the #1 Sustainable Development Goal, no poverty, by adopting the power of blockchain technology. Our mission is to reduce the poverty index in Africa by 1% by promoting online business skill development, empowering women and youths. With over $9.9 trillion market capitalization for internet businesses, $8.8 trillion for e-commerce, $6.6 trillion for forex, $1.5 trillion for cryptocurrency, and $180 billion for network marketing, Leeway is providing training courses in the above sectors that will be translated into 6 local languages in Africa, including English, Yoruba, French, Hausa, Swahili and Igbo. The educational platform will be powered by the blockchain, and subscribers would be incentivized for completing the training courses. This would boost the course completion rate to a whopping 80%. In a bid to achieve our goal, Leeway Wallet will be launched. Users can have access to a completely decentralized wallet application where they can pay low transaction fees when they pay with Leeway token, and make money by staking their cryptocurrency. Users will be able to buy cryptocurrencies using their MasterCard and Visa cards on the wallet also. Leeway token will be used to provide incentives to subscribers of the Leeway educational platform, and as a fee for the transactions in the Leeway wallet. With a low fixed total supply and a much lower circulating supply, owning Leeway token will be one of the greatest investment you would ever make. Visit leewayedu.com to purchase your token.